Alright guys, what's going on? Alright, so we have something cool here. Alright, so we have here the TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 dual band Wi-Fi 6 router, Archer AX21. Yeah, I needed a new router. I currently have the Nighthawk R7000 from Netgear. It's a good router. I like the app. The app is very intuitive, and it's a great looking router. It's it's cool looking, but as you guys know, that router is from what I think 2011 now. So the software on there is just getting old. Um, of course, it doesn't have Wi-Fi 6 as well, as that's a new thing. And the real reason is, you know, the speeds aren't bad. I notice a couple of issues with my mobile devices. Whenever I connect any of my mobile devices to Wi-Fi, it cuts the router out and it goes down for about 10 seconds, and then it has to return itself on, and it's such a random thing. So sounds like it's something to do with outdated software. My phones are 5G, and the frequencies can't handle, I guess, 5G. So that's the biggest thing. It also will just cut out for no reason. It seems like, looking at reviews, um, I purchased the Netgear router on Amazon in 2020, so I've only had it for about 2.5 years, maybe almost three. Um, but yeah, looking at those reviews, even current ones, because it's still a highly sellable item on Amazon. A lot of people are still buying it, but they're saying the same thing. They're saying that it, just frequently and randomly cuts off, disconnects from the internet, and it's becoming annoying. It happens at least 2 to 3 times a day on some days, and definitely at least 4 times a week. It's it's time for a new one. So I did want something with Wi-Fi 6, but I didn't want to break the bank. Times are rough. I didn't want to spend too much. So I was doing, research. I spent probably about almost 2 weeks looking for the right one. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I did want Wi-Fi 6. I wanted to make sure it has enough range. Right now, the Nighthawk I have has 1,900 square feet, covers 1,900 square feet. And I do have a Ring camera, which is outside on the front porch. So I wanted to make sure that, whatever I got would cover that. Now, this is 100 square feet less. However, I'm told, based on reviews, that people are saying this router can cover up to 3,000 square feet. I don't know if it's going to be that much. I'd be okay with if it covers up to 2,200 square feet. Also, with the stronger Wi-Fi 6 signal, I think we'll be okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a quick unboxing, show you what the product looks like, show you what comes in the box, show you the router itself, give you a little bit of a taste of what everything is like. And then what I'll do is I'm going to get it set up. I'm going to test it for a few days. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you guys know how it's been working, and I'm going to do some speed tests. I'm going to do speed tests on my desktop. I'm going to do speed tests on my 5G devices, the ones that I've had issues with before. And then, I'll give you my final review in that second video. So this is just a quick unboxing, give you guys an idea of what it looks like. All right, let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is lift this up, show you guys what it looks like. So this is the box. See, Wi-Fi 6. All right, side view. Yeah, so I went ahead and I already downloaded the TP-Link Tether app. I did that before this came, just because I was excited and I wanted to see what it would look like and how everything is. Looks like it's a pretty cool app. Um, it looks like there's some good customization in the app, so it looks like it'll be good. So only time will tell, right? Once I get the router set up and everything is going. All right. Here's the back. And there's your barcodes, whatnot. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, gotta have one of these. These are great. Use this for all my packages, all my Amazon packages. Get this guy. So let's just do a nice gentle. You know what? Let's not even do that. We don't want to scratch the box, right? What if it's not working? I gotta return it. All right, so just get this guy open. Normally I would just tear a little line there, but you know what? This is not the kind of product I want to take a chance with. Do a nice gentle wrapping there, just so we could at least salvage some of the wrapping, right? Maybe we can tape it back up if we have to ship it back. But, let's hope that's not the case, right? But you have to take it off a little bit. It's not working with us. All right. So we got the packaging off. All right. That's good. All right. So let's take a look here. All right. Here we go. All right, so in here we have the quick installation guide. Tells you how to connect your device. Applications, buttons, customer service. Have your Wi-Fi information. I guess you could, yeah, you could put your Wi-Fi info on here. I guess keep it somewhere safe in case you forget it. Some additional instructions and notices. All right, so in the box we have your power outlet, which is actually partially tucked under the router itself. Got your power outlet here. There you go. All right. And I must say, looking at the router, it looked much bigger online, and I like that it's actually smaller than it is, because I was thinking, you know, if you look here, this appears to be much wider and longer actually than what it really is. It's nowhere near as wide. Pardon me. It's nowhere near as wide, and it's not very long. It's actually looks smaller than a Nighthawk. So you have your 4 antennas here. ahead and get this out of the plastic here. Just cut a little hole over here. Let's just peel it off. Peels right off. All right. There we are. TP-Link. There's your protection film. That's staying on. This router will always look new. I love leaving those on. Same thing with the antennas. Pretty sure that will not affect performance, so those are staying on. Back of the router. Ports. So there's your ports. You have your power, Wi-Fi reset, USB, your main, your WAN line, 1, 2, 3, 4, power, all right, and there you got some more, basically all your connections, your Wi-Fi connections, your USB, everything else. Yeah, looks good. Also in the box, they give you, generously, they give you an Ethernet cable. Let's see, this looks like it's, let's see, this looks like a Cat, is it Cat 6 maybe? No. Cat 5, trash. No offense, but trash. You know, we only do 5, 6, Cat 6 or 7, sorry. We're not doing 5s anymore. This ain't 2012. But yeah, I mean, looks good. That's it. That's everything in the box. So here we go. It's the box again. Router. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to set it up. Make sure everything is working. Give it a test. Once it's working, I'll show you guys the router in action. I'll show you it lit up, doing its thing. We'll do some speed tests. We'll do it on a desktop. Then we'll do it on a couple of phone devices. We'll do it on you know, my 5G phones. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I did buy this router on Amazon. I got it on sale. It was $89.99, and there was a $10 coupon at the time that I purchased it. I'm gonna put the link below in the description of this video with my referral on it. So it would be nice if you guys can use that referral link to purchase it if you decide to purchase it. This way, you know, I will get a small commission from that. It helps the channel. Yeah, looks good, you know. We'll see. This is going to be honest. This is going to be an honest test and review. No gimmicks. Alright guys, I'll catch you in part 2, alright? Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.